Hi all, this is Irene. So I'm using Screencast-o-matic and I thought it was very simple, self-explanatory, and easy to use. I just had to click launch free recorder or downloader, and then I just started recording. It was very easy. I didn't have to download anything to my computer. And yeah, so the application that I'm showing you today is a tool that I just absolutely love, honestly, more than Kahoot or any other assessment tool that's online. So Quizizz, this is quizizz.com. You make an account. Um, I just made an account, a Google account with my district email. And yeah, so this is what it looks like once you create an account, which is free. There are thousands of quizzes that you can look up. I don't know, art history, if you're art history teacher. Look at that, thousands of quizzes right there. And let's see another one. Integers, I don't know, random. Also, thousands of results found. These are like questions that are popular. And yeah, so if you wanted to create your own quiz, you would create your own quiz. You can name it, I don't know, Roman Empire, world history. Next, let's see. And then you can either create your own quiz questions or you could teleport questions from quizzes that are already out there. And it was just going to filter all of the Roman Empire related quizzes. And I could just go through each quiz here. Boom, add this one. And then I'm just going to add this one, random. Go here, add. I mean, it's just super self-explanatory. Another feature that I absolutely love, and it actually really was effective for my assessment class, was tying these in to the questions to the Common Core state standards. So you look up the state standards. You could either do Common Core, you could do California. Let's see, seventh grade subject, history and social studies, and then edit. And then you could just pick the specific one. Study, students analyze the cause and effects of the vast expansion. Boom. And you could just put specific ones too. You could put as many as tie in. And the reason why I like Quizizz is honestly because of this direct standards that you could add. And you could tie it back to the lesson that you taught. And if students are not doing good on that test or that quiz, then you could tie it back to the lesson that you did. So I'm just gonna get out of here. Here's a quiz that I've created, and I did it for my assessments class, the Church in Medieval Europe. I had a host teacher that allowed me to make a quiz for her students, and honestly they didn't do too great the first time, but she did give it to them. The first time they scored, I think the class average was like 45%, but the second time they did a lot better. It was like 90%. So here are the questions I had created, and you could either do a practice run, and I also really like Quizizz because it has a bunch of accommodations for the kids. You could do the read aloud. It's also compatible with with Chrome extensions, and you could do timed or not timed. And you can also do like these fun memes, which is very popular right now, I feel, in this generation. You could take out the memes. Oops, I don't know where they went. And then you could also do power ups, which is like, if you get the answer right, you could freeze all of your classmates' screens, and that'll put you on top. Or you could do where like if you answer a certain amount correct, you could take away the one question that you didn't get right, things like that. And I also like this one more than Kahoot because it's not timed, like it's at the student's own pace. As for Kahoot, you're trying to get the first answer. You want to answer as quick as you can so you could get it right and you could be up top. So yeah, that's Quizizz. I hope that y'all will use it in your classroom. I really love it. And yeah, thank you for listening.